So a very important question that I face is, what can I do to make up for lack of international experience if I am applying to top MBA programs? Guys, look at the mindset of the schools. They need international exposure so that you become less of a liability on them. And this is logical as well, right? If you have experienced a lot of different cultures and have experienced that cultural shock, the schools know that you will hit the ground running and your classmates will get a lot of value from you as well, given the fact that you bring a very, very diverse and a broad perspective of life. Now, if you don't have it, what you need to do is you need to showcase a lot of other areas that satisfy the same need of the program. Now, what we are trying to project is that if, let's say that you did not get the opportunity to grab your body and take it outside the country, and that is the current definition of international exposure, right? That you were physically present in another country. Did you work in a setting where you had to influence people who were not from the same background and your deliverables depended on them, or your assessment was done by them? And if you don't have it, and let's say you've not explored, you've not worked onshore, now what you need to do is find out the other international engagements that you're currently working on. Maybe find an international boss that you've reported to. And one of the options is to have him as your recommender. The whole idea is to be able to showcase that you were not pigeonholed and have taken measures to look outside the window of your current nationality. And you're keen on becoming a global citizen. You know what I mean? Now, let's say that you've not even worked in any international engagements, then maybe this is the time to explore something. You can even start by learning a new language as well. Go learn French, Spanish, German, or anything that you connect with. Even if you begin to learn a new language, you will start forming bonds with people with very, very diverse background. You will actually start, you will know different cuisines, practices, cultures, and you will become more sensitive towards the cultural differences that they bring. This will reflect in your essay, this will reflect in your stories as well. Hey, if you can spend money on travel, take a month off from work. Go explore a lot of countries. On the way, go visit your schools as well. Meet with the admissions committee members if you are prepared to talk about your story. If you're prepared to talk about your story, then if you're not prepared, then first you prepare and then meet them maybe. The point is, forget the international experience from the perspective of a business school and look at it from your own growth and development rather than have it as an MBA, so rather than having an MBA as a milestone on the way of your growth and development, it's not an end in itself, it's a means to an end. MBA is not a mandatory education, not everyone has it. And there are a lot of other successful people who were never MBAs. MBA is a means to an end, and if you're keen on taking this route, take initiatives to do tons of those things that will get you that international outlook. That will be the right way to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video.